We are pleased to show you the 2017 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, traction control, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, ventilated front seats, trip computer, tachometer, Bose sound system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.